Is it time to buy or sell LYFT stock? In this video, we are diving deep into LYFT. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, in the year 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of August 2025, our system has categorized LYFT as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe its progression in the upcoming days. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications pointing towards further decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend hints at a potential change of approximately negative 9.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 12.7% to positive 0.585%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 11.98%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 14.51% and positive 61.42% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of approximately $11.96 to $22.58. Our latest daily update for LYFT includes the headline, Evaluation of LYFT Incorporated Stock Downgraded After the Last Trading Session. The LYFT Incorporated stock price decreased by 3.58% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. Falling from $14.51 to $13.99. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.91%, with a day low at $13.75 and a day high of $14.43. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.02% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 16 million shares, even as prices fell. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 43 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $600,390,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.07, while the lowest was $8.93. Currently, the price is 26.64% or $5.08 below the 52-week high, and 84.21% or $74.61, below the all-time high reached on the 29th of March, 2019, when the price hit $88.60. LYFT is making headlines today with a series of pivotal developments impacting its stock performance. Following the release of its second quarter results, LYFT shares have experienced a significant decline, tumbling over 8%. Although the company reported a record 14% increase in rides, this growth was overshadowed by sales figures that fell below analyst expectations. Consequently, LYFT is struggling to keep pace with competitor Uber amidst mixed quarterly results. The company's partnership with Baidu for deploying Apollo Go robotaxis in Europe marks a strategic move as they aim for substantial expansion into the autonomous vehicle sector, starting in the United Kingdom and Germany by 2026. This initiative highlights LYFT's focus on smart collaborations to mitigate risks and enhance market competitiveness. In the short term, the disappointing earnings report could create downward pressure on LYFT stock as investors digest the implications of the mixed results. Conversely, the long-term potential of the Baidu partnership could lead to future growth opportunities and market repositioning, especially in the burgeoning robotaxi space. Investors will be closely monitoring LYFT's execution of these plans and the overall impact on its market valuation. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned LYFT a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned LYFT a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned LYFT an outperform rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned LYFT a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned LYFT a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned LYFT stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as indicating a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for LYFT. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.72%. Further increases indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term development. The stock of LYFT Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $14.05 and $14.97. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LYFT. LYFT Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $13.62. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 675 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is a change of 4.91%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for LYFT, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 27 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LYFT. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LYFT is at $16.65. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LYFT encounters its first support level at $13.62. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LYFT from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 23, 2025, Hope Stephen W. executed an insider purchase of 176,084 shares of Class A common stock. On July 23, 2025, Hope Stephen W. also conducted an insider purchase of 147,249 shares of Class A common stock. On July 20, 2025, Whiteside Janey performed an insider purchase of 906 shares of Class A common stock. On July 20, 2025, Stevenson Dave made an insider purchase of 1,101 shares of Class A common stock. On July 20, 2025, Louis David conducted an insider purchase of 1,186 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 15.598. In total, insiders acquired 1,885,206 shares and sold 1,485,952 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable and a stop loss has not been established. Is LYFT stock a good buy? LYFT Incorporated currently shows several unfavorable indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock is negative. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect LYFT to open higher by approximately 6.5 cents, starting at a price of $14.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it's important to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.